Chapter 16. The Earth and its Neighbors. You learned in previous classes that Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life. Do you think of any other planet that has life on it? How did life originate on the Earth? Now you will learn much more and find answers to many such questions in this chapter. The Earth. The Earth revolves round the Sun at a distance of 150 million kilometers, due to which it receives right quantity of heat. In the primitive Earth there were plenty of different gases such as methane, ammonia and water in the atmosphere that supported life to begin in the oceans. As you know, 71% of our Earth is covered with water, which is life-supporting liquid for all living things. So the Earth is also called blue planet. The Earth is third planet from the Sun and largest terrestrial planet. Its diameter is 12,800 kilometers and has enough gravitational pull to hold atmosphere. The atmosphere of the Earth contains many important gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapors that supports life on it. These important gases are necessary for our survival. The thick layers of atmosphere also protect us from dangerous ultraviolet rays of the Sun, and stop meteors and meteorites from falling to the Earth. Due to thick layers of atmosphere, meteors and meteorites burn completely in air before reaching to the ground. No any other planet in the solar system has such life-supporting gases and water for survival of living things. The Earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours and revolves round the Sun in 365 and a quarter days. The planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called Jovian planets because they are very far from the Sun and different from features of terrestrial planets. Moon, our nearest neighbor. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. It revolves round the Earth in elliptical orbit. Every day it changes its phase, because the Earth casts shadow when comes in between the Sun and the Moon. The Moon takes 27.3 days to orbit around the Earth. On full moon night it is seen in full size. But on new moon night it is covered under the shadow of the Earth. Although the diameter of the Moon is 3,475 kilometers, it looks very small because it is 384,000 km away from us. Apart from our own planet the Earth, there are other 7 planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune in the solar system. Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Being nearest to the Sun, it is the hottest planet. It has no known satellite, or moon. The maximum temperature on its surface is about 450 degrees Celsius. Being very small in size, it has no enough gravitational pull to hold atmosphere. No life can exist at his very high temperature. Venus. It is the second planet from the Sun. It rotates in counterclockwise direction. Venus is also known as morning and evening star. Surface temperature of Venus is about 460 degrees Celsius. It has dense atmosphere of carbon dioxide gas which increases its surface temperature. It orbits around the Sun in about 225 Earth days and rotates on its axis in 243 Earth days. Planet Venus is approximately equal to size of the Earth. It also has no moon. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is smaller than the Earth. It takes about 687 Earth days to revolve round the Sun. Surface temperature of Mars ranges from 87 degrees Celsius to -5 degrees Celsius. It looks red due to presence of iron oxide in its soil. It rotates on its axis 40 minutes slower than the Earth. It has dusty atmosphere which contains mostly carbon dioxide and traces of oxygen, nitrogen, argon gases. It has two moons named as Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. This planet is the largest planet in the solar system. It is fifth planet having very low surface temperature, -108 degrees Celsius. It revolves round the Sun in 11.8 Earth years. Its atmosphere mainly contains ammonia and sulfur. Life is completely impossible on this planet. Planet Jupiter has 67 moons. Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is more massive planet. It has ring patterns. Surface temperature of Saturn is -139 degrees Celsius. It revolves round the Sun in 29.4 Earth years. Its atmosphere contains mostly ammonia and sulfur. Saturn has 62 moons. Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is also very large and massive planet. It has rings and wind blows on its surface at a very high speed, about 2,100 km per hour. Its atmosphere contains icy water, methane and ammonia. Temperature on the surface of Uranus is 243 degrees Celsius. It has 27 moons. Neptune. It is eighth and farthest planet from the Sun. It is very large planet, about 4,500 million kilometers away from the Sun. It takes 165 Earth years to complete one revolution around the Sun. Temperature of planet Neptune is -218 degrees Celsius and its atmosphere contains hydrogen, helium and traces of methane, water, ammonia. It has 13 moons. Quick recap. Our Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life on it. The Earth is also called living planet due to existence of life on it. Moon is the nearest neighbor of the Earth. The Earth is at a distance of 150 million kilometers from the Sun. Mercury is the smallest and brightest planet that is nearest to the Sun. Mars is called red planet due to presence of iron oxide in its soil. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is nearly 4 times longer than the Earth. Saturn has ring patterns around it. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is 4,500 million kilometers away from the Sun. Atmosphere of Neptune contains hydrogen, helium and traces of methane, ammonia and water vapors. Planet Jupiter has 67 moons, Saturn has 62 moons and Neptune has 13 moons.